What is up, guys? My name is Ari here, and in this video we're going to be having a look at Kadena. But before that, I do want to have a look at the whole crypto market because obviously things have been looking fantastic right here. Kadena right now currently up 4.7%. Volume is sitting at $10.4 million. So the volume is surging again. Now we're going to be having a look right here at this potential breakout that Kadena can essentially be in. Can we see a massive breakout on Kadena? I think we will see Kadena go up to $2 in this run right here. We could see the stochastic RSI are about to flip very bullish. So we're going to be having a look at that in just a second. We're also going to be having a look at market cap, volume, etc. in just a second. But before that, if you guys are interested in joining my Telegram and my Fairdex, make sure you guys click on the link in the description below right here. You guys can see that on Doge, I am up $2,572. Now, if you sign up with my link in the description below, not only can you get up to $100,000 worth of trading bonuses, but of course you get a VIP level 3, which will cut you on fees. Okay, so it will automatically get updated or upgraded to VIP level 3. Now, if we have a look right here in my Telegram real quick, I do talk about Kadena, and I just made a chart about Kadena. Kadena looking juicy on the weekly here. Breakout should be huge. So that is my charts. That is my journal, guys. I give you guys anywhere between shit coins, meme coins, crypto, longs, shorts, liquidation, news, CPIs, everything else will essentially be on here right now. And you guys can see I do update my my longs and whatnot. But you guys, this is one of the trades I took, or my recent one. I did a Doge USDT trade, new Doge long, size 700,000. That was the long, entry price 0.079. That was of course a 5x leverage crypto right here, and that's about it. Now that was my, before that trade I did make a Solana long, which I actually closed at $2,700. So if you guys are interested, this group is actually free. Make sure you guys follow my journal right here, and of course you could of course do copy trading with this right now. So all you have to do is go on copy trading, copy my trades, and that's about it. Everything will be done automatically. So going back into Kadena real quick, that was just an intro just for you guys to understand, because the bull market is here and this is the time to make the most money. And having a look at Kadena, guys, sitting at $1.12, up 4.2%. the market cap is sitting right below $300,000. This thing has been pumping in the last 24 hours, but not pumping as much as we would like to see. In the last 7 days, this thing has been consolidating between $1.50 to essentially $1.04, but let's say $1. In the past month, of course, Kadena, I wouldn't say it's been in a downtrend, but of course it's been consolidating. We could see right here that after it peaked at $1.70, Kadena went all the way back and retested $1 region right here. And can Kadena essentially get ready for a massive breakout? If we have a look at the daily time frame, we could see that the breakout is looking pretty juicy. So we had the successful breakout, we had the retest. Now we know historically every time we have a retest or a breakout, we usually come back and retest, whether it's a trend line, the support, the resistance, whatever it is, we usually always have that. Now the negative thing about that I do want to talk about is that on the RSI we are looking pretty overbought. Okay, now that's not usually the best sign, because the last time we were overbought was essentially right here when we peaked at $1.70, and of course the last time we were overbought before that was essentially right here. So we did have some sort of corrections every single time we were overbought. So this is definitely an eye to keep, a chart to keep an eye on. But if we have a look at the weekly, we know that the weekly time frame does tell a different story every time, and we could see right here that the last time we were essentially overbought or oversold, I guess you should say, on the weekly time frame, we essentially exploded. So it was actually right here before coming back down and creating some sort of bullish divergence. And of course Kadena took it all the way from 42 cents to essentially $1.70, making it almost a 3x return on investment. So that's what's happening right now. This is definitely something to look and keep an eye on. We're gonna have to see when the weekly time frame does close. I mean, it does, we do have another 4 days and 9 hours left before the weekly time frame does close. So keep an eye on that, because yes, we could pump, but let's say the last day this thing dumps 20-30%, of course that could be a very harsh close. So having a look at Bitcoin, because we know Bitcoin's king, guys, there's no question about that. Bitcoin, number one, we did break a massive support level right here. Okay, resistance, I should say. The resistance, we had a nice closure above 44.40, and as you guys can see right now, Bitcoin did break this very important level. Now this level had a lot of volume right here, sitting at $47,000. that was a dead cat bounce before essentially going all the way down to essentially $16,000. So obviously this is very, very important to watch right here. And if we have a look, Bitcoin, of course, is currently sitting at 51,888. Now, I think that this thing will keep on pumping and pumping and pumping. And the reason why is because the stochastic RSI is looking for a bullish move. Now, Bitcoin did have a nice little consolidation right here on the weekly time frame. It was very, very boring. And of course, altcoins were pumping during that time. I'm not saying they weren't, but it was very, very boring before this thing essentially exploded. But all eyes right now are on Kadena right now. Things are looking pretty juicy. Things are looking pretty good in my opinion. 4 hours is looking pretty bullish as well right here. After this consolidation, after the breakout, we should see a massive move and a massive surge to the upside. As you guys can see right here, we did get rejected for the fourth time. So 1, 2, 3. We got 3 wicks right here on Kadena. We're gonna have to see what happens. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video.